red lentil and butternut squash dhal. Filling, super nutritious, high in protein, delicious, super friendly on your budget. And that is what we're going to make in my kitchen today. I'm Anastasia Eden. I have been making plant-based recipes for 27 years now. I'm a retreat chef here in the UK and also a recipe book author. It's my mission to bring you easy, delicious, vegan, gluten-free recipes to make your life easier in the kitchen. So the first thing you want to do is get about 1.5 kilos of butternut squash. A little more or less is fine. And then you want to chop your squash in half and scoop out the seeds. I'm actually making a couple of recipes at the time, and I'm actually doing a lot more squash than I need for this recipe because I'm going to put the other one into soup. It's always good if you're cooking on a budget to make the most of your oven while it's on. So then you're going to bake it in a hot oven. That's going to take about an hour. I want to bake it until I can easily pierce it with a fork. In the meantime, I'm going to cook my lentils. So I'm going to rinse them first. You can use a fine mesh sieve just to rinse them through, rinse them through, rinse them through, or just rinse some water into your pan, give them a jigger with your fingers and then tip the water out, and do that several times until the water runs clear. So you're going to put your lentils in the pan, add your water, bring it to the boil and cook for about 10 minutes. And remember to check the link above for the written recipe for this and lots more information about dhal and this recipe. Once your squash has cooled down a little, scoop it out and then just chuck the skin into the compost. And then finally grate 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger, add it to the squash along with your sea salt and garam masala. Then you're going to mash this or blend this with a hand blender. That'll just take a few seconds probably, and then mix that in with your lentils and it's ready to serve. So this is about 8 portions. So you can make a big batch of this. It's going to serve 8 to 10 people as a side accompaniment along with the curry, or you can have it on its own with some bread, some oat wraps, chapati. It goes very, very well with rice to make a whole complete meal. Just maybe serve a salad on the side. It's going to keep for a few days in the fridge. If you want to freeze it, then separate it into portions and freeze once it's cooled down, of course. And then when you want to use it again, just defrost it and reheat it in a pan. Thank you for tuning in. I do hope that you enjoy this as much as we do here, and I hope it inspires you to make lots of delicious vegan things in your kitchen. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and come visit my website kindearth.net, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.